What's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the Tusk tie-down anchor for Polaris side-by-sides. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you a simple but effective accessory to have on your Polaris side-by-side. It is the tie-down anchor. This fits a lot of different Polaris side-by-sides, so if it'll fit yours, it's simple. On the product page, enter the year, make, and model. That will ensure you get proper fitment. Install with this is easy. There are 3 bolts. You just bolt this right to your machine. No modification needed. You're ready to rock and roll. And the purpose for this, just like the name says, it gives you a really good tie-down attachment point in the front of your side-by-side. There's a lot of models now that do come with anchor points, but in Polaris's case, sometimes they can be hard to reach, hard to get your tie-downs to. This makes it a whole lot easier. Like I said, it bolts right to the front of your machine. It looks good, and it gives you excellent tie-down attachment points. That's simple. Another great feature about this, 3/16 powder-coated steel, super strong, and we made sure that when this is installed, it sits above the skid plate, so that way if you are doing some aggressive riding, you don't have to worry about this getting caught up. So if you have a Polaris UTV, looking for a better solution to getting your tie-downs attached in the front, be sure to pick one of these up. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab yours, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, if you like this video, we've got a lot of great UTV content as well as spotlights like you saw, so get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and that'll keep you up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.